super crispy golden fried chicken. I have a really great way to make fried chicken dinner, including all the trimmings, and do it faster than we can get fried chicken takeout. Now Jamie is going to head out on his scooter. He's going to order a fried chicken dinner, bring it back here, and I need to make all the things before he gets back. Now I do have a little helper today because I'm going to be using this, which is so cool. This is a fried chicken kit. If you can't get a hold of this because it's only in Australia, I will have the recipe up on my website and you can go ahead and make it from scratch. But I'm going to use this today because I love it. Okay, let's make fried chicken. I think potatoes are going to be my longest thing to make. I want to get going on that first of all. I need gravy, I need mashed potato, lots of salt in there, water. I need gravy as well, but I might do the coleslaw first. No, wait, no, gravy first. No, coleslaw first. No, I'm going to marinate my chicken first because I want as much flavor as I can get into this chicken. So I've got my marinade, my coating mix there. It's sort of based on like one of my mum's original Thai marinades, which is a very classic marinade, like coriander, garlic, pepper, really good. Chicken pieces. Now you guys know the deal. Legs and thighs only, please. This marinade doesn't need a huge amount of time actually. It's so tasty. It will do its job very quickly. We'll leave the coating mix for later. I'm going to do like a roux based gravy because that's going to give me the most amount of thickening, you know, to get that right texture. So I want flour and butter. While I'm waiting for that, I might do a little bit of coleslaw business. Just want some chopped cabbage. That was good. This is much better. And also fried chicken too. Like sometimes I feel like I don't know what's in that batter at the takeout shop or the oil or, you know, like homemade fried chicken is chicken you can feel good about. I should stop talking so much because Jamie, I don't even know where Jamie is and I feel very nervous about how long it's gonna take. Okay, so my butter is melted. I'm gonna add the flour and I'm basically creating a roux which is going to thicken the gravy and a beef stock cube and do my carrot. Awesome. This is definitely helping me out. I am going to whisk in my boiling water. I'm going to throw in some shiitake mushrooms here just to try and get a little bit more flavor in there. I think it needs, like I said, a little bit more color. I'm going to get some soy sauce from somewhere. Found soy sauce. Okay. Mix. Ah, that looks nice. Look at that. That is literally gravy in like 2 minutes. All right. A little bit of the coating mix needs to go in here first, and then I add in some water. Rest of my coating mix goes in here. Chicken. So what we're kind of doing here is creating a liquidy batter that then allows the flour to stick and get all craggly and awesome. Okay, now I'm hoping that my oil is getting hot enough. So I've still got to fry my chicken, do my mash, do my coleslaw, and finish off that gravy, which is looking good. But first of all, I need to cook this chicken. So let me just see, that oil is hot. Chicken in. Now I like to keep my chicken moving in the oil so I don't get any like hot spots. Look at that, look how good that looks already. All right, go, hurry up. Coleslaw, what are we doing? I need some spring onion in here. So it's gonna have a little onion element. And I like the spring onion because then you get a little bit of a green element as well. Mayonnaise. I like a little tangy coleslaw, so I'm gonna do a little bit of vinegar, some salt, some pepper. That looks so good. Look how lovely and fresh it is. It's so much easier to make it at home. Oh, I love this. Let's have a look at these potatoes. Need to strain these off back in the pot. Secret tip on potatoes, put them back on a heat after you've drained them, and that dries them out a little bit, gives you like a more intense, creamier mashed potato. Let's just start setting things up. Yes, okay. You know what, I'm gonna do a little dash of like 5 spice in my gravy just because feeling fancy. Okay, potatoes look good. Butter. The more butter the better in the mashed potatoes, I tell you. Okay. Cream.
That's great, thanks so much.
I hope Jamie's run into some traffic. That would be really good. Mashed potato.
I reckon we're going to waste it.
Coleslaw. Okay, gravy. Chicken's got to come out because I reckon Jamie's going to be here any minute. Whoa, look at that chicken. That's nice. Salt, salt, salt. Okay, Jamie's so loud.
I win.
No, look. it's just two, I put 2 pieces on, right?
That's pretty good.
I'm just gonna put it on. What'd you get? What's your time?
21 minutes and 12 seconds.
21.
What do you got?
21 minutes. I didn't know, I was just waiting for you. So you got 21 minutes and 12 seconds. Stanky ass chicken.
Is it sweaty?
It looks sweaty. Hey, Mike, look at the colour of my gravy. It's like the same. Where's the coleslaw?
Oh, no coleslaw. And a large coleslaw, please.
Oh, we don't actually have any coleslaw at the moment.
So here we are. This is my fried chicken dinner, and this is the takeout version, which is very sad. Look at that, sad. Look at this guy. It looks like someone took a bite out of it. It really looks like someone ate this. It's a bit gross. I'm a bit grossed out by it. And we didn't even get any coleslaw. So look at this, crispy, crunchy, fried chicken you can actually feel good about, because I mean, this is not feel good fried chicken right here. This one, let's have a go. Oh, I think it's gonna be crunchy. Can you hear that? It's crunchy, it's really yum. I mean, this isn't even, the problem is, it takes a long time for this to get home and it's soggy already. I'm not gonna try that. But I do want all my bits here. So I've got my gravy, potato. So good. Coleslaw. Oh, this is really good. And in 20 minutes, I'm really happy with myself. Very, very happy with myself. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I sure do love cooking and creating content for my channel. And if you enjoyed it, then why not hit the subscribe button and maybe that little bell as well, because if you hit the bell, then you'll get a notification every time I'm cooking something delicious.